So, an interesting thing I just noticed while looking for the next poem, A Loud Noise asked, was that some of my poems are missing from the book. I think I just had so many poems and some of them just got lost in the shuffle, and I only realized it now because I'm someone who just had so many projects. And I wrote this book actually a few years ago, and I got these poems published last year out of and that last year I had like five books published in four different languages. So, well, let's see, Kannada, Spanish, Portuguese, Mandarin, English, five books published in five different languages that I've had to deal with. Most of them were just kind of projects I was doing just to play with my mind and just to enjoy myself in a lot of the foreign languages I speak. Also to practice, just to throw different ideas and concepts in different languages. But I just could not, I just could not find this poem, which makes me think that it was incidentally omitted. If that's the case, then this poem in the Chinese version might be a little bad. It probably was not properly edited, meaning that it's probably nonsensical Chinese, but I will read it regardless just for the sake of it. So let's see what we have to say here. Yeah, I'm already thinking even maybe I should skip the Chinese part. Let's see. Yeah, I'm thinking, yeah, I'm not sure if I should, just because it's not edited. Well, most of you will not understand Chinese, so I apologize for the bad Mandarin. 早饮问你什么时候找到内心的平静？客人呢回答：首先我要听着。关注我家听说的话，然后我就听见自己的内心，然后目的就会降临，然后我便跟随目的，这样我就有了平静。Or in English, a loud noise asked, "When will you find peace?" Kiran says, "I ought to stop listening to what my family says. First I'll be able to listen to myself, then my purpose will come. Then I will follow my purpose. Therefore I will know peace." Again, this one's a little short and sweet. Even reading it in English, I think that it should be expanded, but Chinese is purposefully a Duan language. Duan means concise, so I think when I reread the English version, I feel like I should have fleshed it out more, but this was a poem I probably wrote in 2018, 2017, and sometimes short and sweet also makes a fascinating point. I think sometimes learning to listen to yourself is also very important, but easier said than done, particularly if you come from an Indian background.